We've all been there, stuck in traffic, fuming at delivery delays, the frustration of watching the clock tick by as you sit in a sea of cars, knowing that the package you were eagerly waiting for is somewhere in that mess. It's a universal experience, one that has plagued urban life for decades. The inefficiency, the wasted time, the sheer exasperation of it all. But what if there was a way to bypass all that? What if the solution was not on the ground, but in the sky? Wishing those packages could just sprout wings and fly. Imagine a world where your deliveries aren't bound by the constraints of traffic lights and congested roads. A world where packages take to the skies, soaring above the chaos below. It's a dream that many of us have had, especially during those long, frustrating commutes. The idea of a seamless, efficient delivery system that operates above the fray is tantalizing, isn't it? Well, folks, that future is here. The age of airborne deliveries has dawned upon us, and it's more exciting than we could have ever imagined. The technology that once seemed like science fiction is now a reality, and it's poised to revolutionize the way we think about logistics and transportation. The advancements in drone technology have paved the way for a new era, one where the sky is no longer the limit, but the beginning of endless possibilities. It wasn't long ago that the Nuuva 300 cargo drone took its maiden flight. This wasn't just a test run, it was a monumental event that marked the beginning of a new chapter in the history of transportation. The Nuuva 300 is not just another drone, it's a symbol of innovation and progress. Its maiden flight was a testament to the hard work and dedication of countless engineers and visionaries who dared to dream big. This wasn't just another plane soaring into the sky, this was a breakthrough, a leap forward in the way we think about moving goods from one place to another. The Nuuva 300 represents a shift in paradigm, a move away from traditional methods of transportation towards something more efficient, more sustainable and more futuristic. It's a glimpse into what the future holds for logistics and delivery services. This, my friends, was a game changer. The Nuuva 300 is not just a piece of technology, it's a revolution in the making. It's a bold statement that says we're ready to embrace the future, to innovate and to push the boundaries of what's possible. This drone is set to change the way we think about delivery and logistics, making it faster, more efficient and more reliable than ever before. This beast is a statement, a declaration that the days of being stuck in traffic waiting for deliveries are numbered. The Nuuva 300 is here to redefine the rules, to set new standards, and to lead the way into a future where the sky is the new highway. It's a powerful reminder that innovation is the key to progress, and that the future is bright for those who dare to dream. A sign that the way we move goods is about to get a serious upgrade. The Nuuva 300 is not just a technological marvel, it's a harbinger of change. It's a clear indication that the logistics industry is on the brink of a major transformation, one that will make deliveries faster, more efficient, and more reliable. The future of transportation is here, and it's airborne. Forget traffic jams and road closures. The Nuuva 300 is designed to rise above it all, to navigate the skies with ease and efficiency. No more delays, no more frustrations, just smooth, seamless deliveries that get to their destination on time every time. It's a game changer for businesses and consumers alike, offering a level of convenience and reliability that was previously unimaginable. The Nuuva 300 laughs in the face of such trivial matters, traffic jams, road closures. These are problems of the past. With the Nuuva 300, the sky is the limit and the possibilities are endless. It's a bold new world of logistics, one where efficiency and reliability are the norm, not the exception. The future of delivery is here, and it's flying high. It simply rises above it all, literally. The Nuuva 300 is designed to take off and land vertically, making it incredibly versatile and adaptable to a variety of environments. Whether it's navigating the crowded streets of a bustling city or delivering goods to remote, hard-to-reach locations, this drone is up to the task. It's a testament to the power of innovation and the endless possibilities that come with it. This is the dawn of a new era in logistics, an era where the sky is no longer a barrier but a pathway to greater efficiency and reliability. The Nuuva 300 is leading the charge, paving the way for a future where deliveries are faster, more efficient and more reliable than ever before. It's an exciting time to be in the logistics industry, and the future looks brighter than ever, and frankly, it's about time. We've waited long enough for a solution to the age-old problem of traffic and delivery delays. The Nuuva V300 is here to change the game, to make our lives easier, and to bring a new level of efficiency and reliability to the logistics industry. It's a thrilling time to be a part of this revolution, and the best is yet to come. So, what makes this thing so special? Let's talk numbers. When it comes to drones, the Nuuva V300 is in a league of its own. This isn't just another gadget for hobbyists, it's a game changer in the world of logistics and transportation. Imagine a machine that can revolutionize the way we move goods across vast distances. This isn't some flimsy toy drone we're talking about. The Nuuva V300 is built like a tank, designed to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty tasks. Its robust frame and powerful motors make it capable of handling substantial loads without breaking a sweat. The Nuuva V300 is a heavy lifter. It's engineered to carry significant weight, making it an invaluable asset for industries that require reliable and efficient transportation solutions. Whether it's delivering medical supplies to remote areas or transporting construction materials to hard-to-reach sites, this drone gets the job done. We're talking a 600-pound payload capacity. That's right, 600 pounds. This drone can carry more than most small vehicles, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. From emergency response to commercial deliveries, the Nuuva V300 is up to the task. That's like stuffing a whole motorcycle in the back. Imagine the possibilities. Need to transport a bulky item quickly and efficiently. The Nuuva V300 has got you covered. Its spacious cargo bay can accommodate a variety of items, making it a practical solution for many logistical challenges. And it doesn't just hop from rooftop to rooftop. This drone is designed for long-range missions, capable of covering vast distances with ease. It's not limited to short urban flights. It can traverse entire regions, making it a powerful tool for connecting distant locations. This bad boy boasts a range of 345 miles. That's an impressive distance for any aircraft, let alone a drone. With this kind of range, the Nuuva V300 can handle cross-country deliveries, bridging the gap between cities and rural areas. That's London to Paris on a single charge. Imagine the efficiency and convenience of being able to transport goods between major cities without the need for refueling or recharging. This capability opens up new possibilities for international logistics and commerce. But the real party trick? Vertical takeoff and landing, no runway needed. This feature allows the Nuuva V300 to operate in confined spaces, making it ideal for urban environments and remote locations alike. It can take off and land almost anywhere, providing unparalleled flexibility and convenience. Just picture it, a compact aircraft rising straight up from a loading dock, effortlessly transitioning to forward flight. This seamless transition from vertical to horizontal flight is a testament to the advanced engineering and innovative design of the Nuuva V300. It's a marvel of modern technology. It's enough to make a grown man weep with joy. The Nuuva V300 isn't just a drone, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. Its capabilities are not only impressive, but also inspiring, showing us what's possible when cutting-edge technology meets practical application. Now, before you go thinking this is just another gas guzzler clogging up our skies, hold on. The Nuuva V300 is a hybrid electric marvel. It runs on a combination of battery power and a fuel-efficient generator, the best of both worlds. This means fewer emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. We're talking about revolutionizing cargo transport while keeping the planet happy. Eco-friendly and efficient, now that's a combination that's music to my ears. Of course, you can't just hand the keys to a machine this sophisticated and tell it to go nuts. That's where Textron Systems comes in. They've developed an absolute blinder of a ground control station. Think mission control for cargo drones. This isn't some joystick and a prayer operation. This is serious business. Operators can monitor multiple aircraft, plan routes, and even take manual control if needed. The level of automation and control is staggering. It's like something out of a sci-fi film. Section 5. Triple redundancy, because safety shouldn't be left to chance. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hold on, Hammond, are you telling me we're trusting our precious cargo to a flying computer? And the answer is a resounding yes. But before you start panicking, let me tell you about the fly-by-wire system developed by Honeywell. This isn't your average autopilot. This is a triple redundant, fail-safe marvel of engineering. That means if one system goes down, there are two backups ready to take over. It's like having a guardian angel, but for cargo drones. Safety first, folks. Section 6, Pipistrel, Pioneers of the Sky, Partners in Progress. Now, none of this would be possible without the geniuses over at Pipistrel, the masterminds behind the Nuuva 300. This innovative company has been at the forefront of aviation technology, constantly pushing the envelope and redefining what's possible in the skies. Their dedication to excellence and their relentless pursuit of innovation have made them a force to be reckoned with in the aerospace industry. These guys are the rock stars of the electric aircraft world. With a team of brilliant engineers and designers, Pipistrel has managed to create some of the most advanced and efficient electric aircraft ever seen. Their achievements are not just limited to the Nuuva 300, they have a whole lineup of groundbreaking aircraft that are setting new standards in the industry. They've been pushing boundaries and challenging conventions for years. From their early days of designing gliders to their current focus on electric and hybrid aircraft, Pipistrel has always been a company that dares to dream big. Their willingness to take risks and explore new frontiers has led to numerous breakthroughs and innovations that have had a profound impact on the aviation industry. But they're not just about building cool tech. Pipistrel understands that true innovation goes beyond just creating cutting-edge technology. It's about making a real difference in the world and improving people's lives. That's why they are committed to developing sustainable and environmentally friendly aircraft that can help reduce our carbon footprint and make air travel more accessible and efficient. They understand that to truly revolutionize aviation, you need to work hand in hand with regulators. Pipistrel has always recognized the importance of collaboration and partnership in achieving their goals. By working closely with regulatory bodies and industry stakeholders, they ensure that their innovations are not only groundbreaking, but also safe and compliant with all necessary standards, and that's exactly what they've done. Through their proactive approach and open communication, Pipistrel has built strong relationships with regulators and policymakers. This has allowed them to navigate the complex regulatory landscape and bring their revolutionary aircraft to market more quickly and efficiently. Pipistrel has been instrumental in shaping the regulations surrounding cargo drones. Their expertise and insights have been invaluable in developing policies and guidelines that ensure the safe and efficient operation of these advanced aircraft. By working closely with regulators, they have helped pave the way for the widespread adoption of cargo drones and other innovative aviation technologies. They're paving the way for a safer, more efficient future of flight. With their groundbreaking innovations and unwavering commitment to excellence, Pipistrel is not just a leader in the aviation industry. They are true pioneers of the sky. Their work is transforming the way we think about air travel and opening up new possibilities for the future of flight. Section 7, Blueprints for the Future 2025 and Beyond. This is just the beginning, folks. Pipistrel and Textron have even bigger plans for the Nuuva 300. They're aiming to have a second aircraft up and running later this year, 2025, and that's not all. They're constantly refining the design, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. More cargo capacity, longer range, even more automation. The possibilities are endless. We're on the cusp of a revolution in logistics, and the Nuuva 300 is leading the charge. Section 8, Logistics Reimagined, from warehouses to the world. Imagine a world where deliveries are no longer bound by traffic jams or road closures. A world where remote communities have access to essential goods no matter how isolated they may be. The Nuuva 300 has the potential to transform the way we think about logistics. We're talking about faster delivery times, reduced transportation costs, and a drastic reduction in carbon emissions. Businesses could reach new markets, expanding their reach without expanding their environmental impact. It's a win-win situation. Section 9, Wings of Hope, Nuuva 300 in Humanitarian and Disaster Relief. And it's not just about business. Imagine the possibilities in humanitarian aid and disaster relief. The Nuuva 300 could deliver medical supplies, food, and other essential goods to areas struck by natural disasters. It could provide a lifeline to communities cut off from traditional transportation routes. This isn't just a cargo drone. It's a beacon of hope, a symbol of human ingenuity, and our unwavering commitment to helping those in need. The future of cargo is here, and it's looking brighter than ever.